Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Settings by pressing the Windows key and the I key together. Click System, then click Display to open Screen Options. Under Scale and Layout, choose a scale like 100% or 125% to increase text and UI size. Under Display Resolution, pick a resolution such as 1920 x 1080 or 2560 x 1440 for sharpness. If prompted, confirm the change within 15 seconds or it reverts automatically. For multiple monitors, select the monitor number, then repeat the Open System settings from the Apple menu and click Displays to begin. For an external monitor, choose the monitor name at the top of the panel. Click Resolution and select Scaled, then pick a resolution such as 1680 x 1050 or 2560 x 1440. For Retina displays, use the built-in slider to set more space or larger text. Wait a few seconds for the interface to redraw and confirm the change. If text appears too small, choose a lower resolution or larger text option. Open the Monitor on-screen display menu using the physical buttons on the monitor bezel. Navigate to Input or Source and confirm the cable type, such as HDMI or DisplayPort, is active. In the OSD, find Picture or Image settings and set the native resolution recommended by the monitor. Use Auto Adjust if available to align the image automatically, or adjust horizontal and vertical size manually by small increments. If scaling issues persist, update your graphics driver and try a different cable such as DisplayPort for full resolution support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.